Hello everyone. Welcome to the second video of hybrid drivetrain. Uh, Last class we have discussed about what is drivetrain and an introduction about the hybrid drivetrain. Now we are going to see about just a summary of that what is meant by drivetrain. So drivetrain is nothing but the component which are essential to make the vehicle to move. So electric drivetrain, the components which are responsible to make the electric vehicle to move. Example, motor, battery, and the converters. Last class we stopped with hybrid electric drivetrain, where hybrid electric drivetrain is two or more components um, join two or more energy sources combined for a single vehicle, and it makes the vehicle to move. The detailed description of this drivetrain is as follows. The hybrid drivetrain supply the required power by an adaptive powertrain. There are many available patterns of combining the power flow to meet it. The load requirements are as described below. Either the powertrain 1 alone delivers the power, as it says, the powertrain 1 alone uh, delivers the power, this entire part, energy source 1, energy converter 1, and the load can delivers the power, or powertrain 2 alone delivers to the load. The powertrain 2 alone drives the load, energy source to energy converter to summation and the load. We can take it a case when we are going in a highways where the gear movement will not be there. We can consider that it is operating in an electric battery. Whereas in case one where we are moving in uphill or uphill climbing a hill, we can consider that we are using petrol, that is fossil fuels, and we are using the energy source 1. These are the two cases. The second case is both powertrain 1 and 2 delivers power to the load at the same time. This is nothing but the both the energy source 1 and energy source 2 are equally contributing to the movement of the vehicle. It can be of anything. Either the power will be supplied to the LPG, as well as the power is coming from the battery or anything. This is the case 3. And case 4 is powertrain to obtains power from the load. This is called as regenerative braking, where when the vehicle is coming from uphill to a downhill, we will not be pressing the accelerator. Instead of, we will be accessing the brake to slow down the speed. In that case, the motor will act as a generator, and it generates the power, so that through that power we are making the battery to again charge it. This is called as regenerative braking. So since we have an arrow mark, dotted arrow mark mentions the charging, so we consider that the energy source 2 is to be a battery source. Next, point number 5 is powertrain 2 obtains power from the powertrain 1. So this is also possible that when the energy source 1 is having sufficient amount of energy, it can be supplied to the energy source 2. So this dotted line is also possible. Either due to regenerative braking, this is possible, or through the converter 1, energy source 1, we can supply the energy to the energy source 2. This is the yeah, point number 5. And the point number 6 is powertrain 2 obtains power from powertrain 1 and load at the same time. So the energy source 1 is supplying the energy, as well as the due to regenerative braking, from the load we are also getting energy to the energy source 2. This is the point number 6. And point number 7 is powertrain 1 delivers power to the load and to powertrain 2 at the same time. So it is delivering the load, as well as it is supplying the power to the energy source 2. This is point number 7. And point number 8 is powertrain 1 delivers the power to the powertrain 2, and powertrain 2 delivers power to the load. So this is also possible that energy source 1 and energy source 2 is supplying energy to the energy source 2, and through energy source 2 it is supplying to the load. This is also possible. And the last point is powertrain 1 delivers power to the load, and load delivers power to the powertrain 2. So we have all the possibilities. We have discussed so far all the possibilities. So what is generally an hybrid electric drivetrain? A drivetrain is nothing but the components which makes the electric vehicle to move is called as electric drivetrain. What is meant by hybrid electric drivetrain? we are using in hybrid means when two or more energy sources are used, this is called as hybrid energy drivetrain. So through these possibilities, we have an 8 different options to make the hybrid electric uh, drivetrain is possible. These 8 is discussed in this video.